a more mature entrepreneur. You've been experimenting with Instagram Reels in terms of your organic content marketing efforts on Instagram itself, and well, you feel like you're wasting your time because your Instagram Reels won't convert. They won't bring you followers. They won't bring you any email list opt-ins. Most importantly, they're not bringing you sales. Well, then this video is for you because I've got some advice that actually works right now in 2022. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video titled, When Instagram Reels Won't Convert. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Now, to begin with, I have to ask, is there even a call to action? This is a potential mistake that honestly I do see quite a few of my students make when they first start creating Instagram Reels and publishing them to their business accounts. They'll have these neat videos, but you get to the end of them and whoops, there's no next step that the content consumer is invited to take. Now, currently Instagram Reels are only up to 60 seconds long. There's not a lot of time, but seriously, you can either ask someone verbally on your Instagram Reels video to click the link in bio to get a coupon or a freebie or whatever to get onto your email list, or to follow you for more content that will help them in terms of whatever pain point they have that a business like yours has offerings that will help them get out of pain and into pleasure or enjoy a particular outcome they're looking to have, whatever. I know that these videos are short, but there's a lot you can do in 60 seconds. Check out a video I put out in 2021 that's still very useful today entitled 60-Second Video Script. And it's going to help you out big time in terms of making every precious second count. But suffice it to say, if you don't ask someone to take an action, if your video itself doesn't contain a call to action, most people who consume that content is going to go, cool, neat video, and then they're gone. You don't want that. Now, I also have to ask you, is your caption one that converts? Meaning, does your Instagram Reel even have a caption? Is your caption packed with keyword-rich terms that might help your Instagram Reel get pulled up in search by someone who's your ideal customer, who is also searching for content that has to do with their pain point that would include, but of course not be limited to, Instagram Reels-based content? Are you leveraging what's called Instagram SEO? I did a video in 2021 called Instagram SEO Tips 2021, and it's still useful to you now. So you definitely want to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure that you watch that video too. It'll help you. But don't forget that you have 2,200 characters in that caption of yours to go along with your Instagram Reel. So you can put a call to action in there. Also, you can echo the call to action you also made in your reel itself. You can also put in up to 30 hashtags to index your content up to 30 times in search so that you can get the right ideal customer to find your content. And then they're going to be more likely to watch your whole Instagram Reel and be even more likely, since they're kind of a qualified lead, if you will, to follow your call to action in the first place, giving your Instagram Reels the conversions that your business needs to succeed. More followers, more email list opt-ins, more sales. You have to work both your caption and your Instagram Reel so that you have two halves of the success whole on lock for Instagram content marketing conversions. So now I want to hear from you. Did any of this advice help you in terms of your Instagram Reels-based content marketing? And do you have any questions for me about Instagram Reels? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing the trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the issue of when Instagram Reels won't convert. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.